Before we get into this unboxing, I just want to remind you of our giveaway. I will go ahead and link that video up top. Make sure that you check it out, okay? Hello everyone, my name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, as you could read in our title, we will be unboxing our BoxyCharm. I'm pretty sure this is the premium box, and this is for the month of February. For those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I will leave all the information down below, plus a link, so if you decide you want to try BoxyCharm out for yourself, you can do so right there. So let's just jump in. We know that it is the premium box because it is blue. All right, we have our description card, which says our theme for the month is Be My Glam-ENTINE. Okay, and that's what it looks like. And on the back, it lets us know what items are enclosed in this box. So we're gonna jump in so we can see. All right, so the first item that we have is by Dime Beauty, and this is the Eyelash Boost Serum, and it says grow your own naturally full and beautifully long lashes with the help of this best-selling Eyelash Boost Serum. Improve length, density, and strength of hair and overall follicle health with the proprietary blend of amino acids and peptides, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $44. Well, this is what the outer packaging looks like, of course, and this is what the inner packaging looks like. Very nice and sleek, okay? And I'll have you know, this is really rather heavy. Now, according to the box, it says this is a 6 milliliter or 0.20 ounce size, and it gives us some suggestions for usage, and it says apply nightly to the base of the upper and lower eyelashes. Continue using to maintain the condition and appearance of your lashes once desired results are achieved. Apply every other day if a mild tingling sensation occurs. Oh, that's quite interesting. Okay, so what am I getting out of that? That in order for you to keep the length that you get, you're gonna have to continue to use this serum, okay? So it says their mission is simple: to make high-end beauty and wellness products affordable to everyone. Okay, I do not see an expiration date. That's something I have a challenge with. Okay, well, there is not one listed here for now, so we're going to move on to the next item, which is by Christopher Robin. Okay, and that's this one right here, and this is the Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water, and it says this mist makes fine, thin, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy-to-style hold using a delicate rose blend infused formula with baobab, leaf extract and oligo elements from seaweed. This mist helps enhance hair's texture and provide a lift at the roots for a long-lasting, volumized look. Okay? Sounds interesting to me. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $39. Now, this is a 5 fluid ounce size, and it is a leave-in. And this one has a 6-month shelf life. So when you open it, be prepared to use it, okay? So you can spray it on your hair and fluff it up. All right, so that is item number 2. Then item number 3, it's by Moonlit Makeup, and that's this one right here. And it says this is primed for the night, and it's an eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint and a silky lightweight formula that prevents creasing so it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. Get primed for the night and enjoy vibrant, lasting colors wherever your adventures lead. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $18, and this is a new launch. Okay, so this one is a 0.2 fluid ounce size, and it says smooth a small amount onto lids prior to shadow or wear alone for a neutral look. Okay, now the expiration date on this one is 12 months. Well, let's see what the inside packaging look like, because the outside is rather gorgeous and the inside looks exactly like the outside. Okay, so this is not a very long shelf life, so when we're ready to use it, that's when we will open it. The next item that I have is by UOMA Beauty. And this is the lip liner. It says shape and fill in your lips to add definition and structure with these highly pigmented, silky smooth lip liners. Designed to be worn with your favorite lipstick shade. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $16. So, now, first of all, I get it, it's a name, but I don't speak like this. And so since I don't speak like this, even if it is a name, that's not coming from me, okay? So here you go. All right, now this one has an 18-month shelf life, and it is a 0.04 fluid ounce size, and the shade I have is called Angelou. And you know what? This shade, it's going to be a little difficult to see. This is what the top of it looks like, which is the actual shade, and this is what it looks like on my hand. So I know it's a little difficult to see because it's close to my skin tone. Actually, it isn't. It's just the way in which the light shows it, okay? All right, and then the next item that we have is by VIKE Beauty, and this is a makeup melt. It says a makeup removal spray with skincare benefits. Makeup Melt has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipes or pads needed. Simply spray and Makeup Melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like experience at home. Okay, I know me, and it's gonna have to take a little bit more than just that for me, okay? Because this one says no wipes or pads needed. How are you going to spray? Okay, we're going to test this out right now. All right, because I do have an eyeshadow palette in here, okay? So let's work with this in just a second. All right, so it says this is a 6.7 fluid ounce size, and it says gentle oil-free makeup remover spray with skincare actives to clean and nourish. Now, this has a 12-month shelf life, and it says spray directly onto dry skin. For eye makeup removal, apply to closed eyes. Massage in gentle circular motions with hands. Rinse with water. Okay. That's a little better. Rinse with water. It says say goodbye to dry feeling, lash tugging, harsh rubbing, and leftover makeup. Say hello to clean, refreshed, brightened, makeup-free skin. Okay. You will no longer dread removing your makeup. Unwind with the soothing aroma of eucalyptus and watch your makeup effortlessly melt off of your skin as you spray. All right, it says it has grapefruit, cucumber, moringa, and passion flower. I'm still not able to wrap my head around that, but we'll come back to this in just a minute. So I'm just gonna sit it here in front of me. The last item that I have is by Huda Beauty, okay? And it says this is the Mercury Retrograde Eyeshadow Palette. Take your look to infinity and beyond with 18 cosmic shades with both bold and neutral shades. This palette delivers infinite possibilities, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $67. It does have a mirror, which I'm gonna cover so it's not going to bother your eyes terribly, but these shades are gorgeous. Look at that. Nice pan size, and they are beautiful. Okay, let me just say this before we swatch. This one does have the names of the shades on here, and they are in iridescent letters. Okay, so let's just swatch a couple mattes and a couple shimmers, okay? Okay, here we go. These are the shades that I have swatched, and we're going to put them on the, oh, that is just beautiful. These shades are gorgeous. How about that? Look at that. Yes. Yes. Okay, well, let me just tell you what I swatched, okay? So we're going to start at the top, and this is Hot Mess. The middle one is Mercury, and the bottom is Libra. All right. I definitely like it. The pigmentation is beautiful, and they don't look chalky. They don't even feel chalky. But I have a thing, you know, I like Huda products anyway, okay? So, this is pretty interesting, but I'm still kind of stuck on this. So what I'm going to do right now, I don't want it to mess up my blouse, so I'm going to pull up my sleeves. Now let's see, does this say we need to shake it? All right, it says directions. Spray directly onto dry skin. For eye makeup removal, apply to closed eyes. All right, massage in gentle circular motions with hands, rinse with water. Okay. All right, I have a spray bottle of water here. So we're gonna go ahead and shake this up and spray. Okay, here. All right, it said massage and look. Okay. And then, okay, but what's going to happen to it once we rinse it with water? How do we get this off? Okay, you may not have to scrub and tug, but trust me, you're gonna have to wipe it off some kind of way. So I'm going to put a paper towel. I'm just going to do this, okay? And then we're gonna go ahead and spray some water. What do you think? Okay, so I mean, it's doing what it said, right? So I'm just gonna help it out and I'm just going to wipe it off. Okay, so now it is, I'm sorry, I'm just a little bit excited. Now I will tell you, so for me, I already know that what I will do is wipe it off, okay? But I guess if you really think about it, oh, very nice and smooth. This is amazing. It really does feel very nice. But I will tell you, now that I think about the process, I would spray my face, I'd rub it in the circular motions, rinse it with the water, but you would still have to pat it dry or at least dab it with a cloth or a paper towel to get that residue, okay? But I will say this, it definitely does seem a lot easier. However, I know that's not gonna be the end for me. I know I'm going to really have to wash it off. Actually, what I would do, let's do what we would normally do after we finish washing our face off anyway, and that is to use a toner. I know we are not supposed to be doing a review and first impressions right now. That's usually for later, but we're just gonna try it. I didn't use toner, I used micellar water. This is the micellar water that I used after. Now, I want you to know, this is what that cotton round looks like. Okay, this is in no way a paid advertisement. Y'all know you just saw me open this box and take the plastic off. So I just want you to see it really did come clean. I'm very, very impressed. Now, for me, this is like perfect for when you're away from home. This is perfect, okay? But I can't promise I'm not gonna wash my face again anyway. Like I said, I already know. So, how do I feel about this month's BoxyCharm Premium? So yes, I did like what we received in this box. So they went for another month. Let's just keep it going. Let's see what happens, all right? So I just want to say I thank you so very much for spending time with me on today as we unboxed our BoxyCharm Premium Box for the month of February. And these are the items that were enclosed, and down below you see the manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that is in the box, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.